Hello, and in today's video, we're going to talk about something I don't see talked about a lot. You see a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of TikTok videos, a lot of articles about the next best investment. Where should you put your money? How to invest, the top stocks of the year, etc., etc. But let's actually take it one step back. Who cares where the best place to put your money is if you don't have any money? Let's talk about step 0 of investing: money. Before we dive in deeper, please scroll down, make sure you're subscribed, make sure that bell button is clicked, and last but not least, hit that thumbs up button really hard. Just hit it. Then, with your hand, make a fist, and then raise your thumb up at your screen. Give me a physical thumbs up. Perfect. Thank you. All right, let's talk about money. Again, who cares what the best investment out there is if you don't have any money to invest in the first place? Let's talk about a few things here. Do you have money laying around in a savings account, checking account, under your mattress, on your desk, in your wallet? Do you need that money for anything? Why is that money there? Is that money that you use day to day, like buying food, paying your rent or mortgage, clothes, safety, emergency funds, gas, car bill? Okay, that's fine. Do you have money coming in every month? Do you have a full-time job where you get paid every 2 weeks? Okay, that's fine. Do you have any debt, credit card debt, student loans, any personal lines of credit? Okay, that's fine. At the end of every month, do you end up with more dollar bills than the month before? Do you spend more than you make? Do you save what's left over? Do you spend what's left over? Okay, that's fine. These are all questions you have to ask yourself. These are all questions that are important to understand your current financial situation. These questions allow you to plan your next move. Step 1 is to be honest with yourself. Are you spending more than you make? If yes, why? Do you have to? Are you impulsive? Do you need things outside of your means? Do you want things outside of your means? Someone who makes $15 an hour does not go out of their way to buy a Lamborghini SUV. Why? Because they can't afford it. Well, someone who makes $50,000 a year doesn't go out of their way to buy $5,000 worth of stocks every month. Why? Because they can't afford that. And guess what? That's fine. I don't know if you're picking up on a common theme here, but whatever your situation is, whatever factors you're currently dealing with, my answer is always going to be, okay, that's fine. Why? Because I'm going to go tell you, in order to make investments, in order to get the things that you want, take a step back, look at how much you're making, and figure out a way to make more. In this video, I want to emphasize step 0 of investing. Make as much money as you can, then put that money to work. I personally put an extremely high importance on monthly recurring revenue. I want every single month to be filled with dollar bills. I want money from the salary I get from my full-time job. I want money from the TikTok where I get paid per views. I want money from my merchandise that I sell on my website, www.wallstreetstonks.com. I want money from my marketing consulting company. I get dividends from my dividend paying stocks, etc., etc. I want recurring, consistent, and reliable revenue. The richest man in Babylon calls it a money river, where money is constantly flowing in. If you haven't read that book, I highly recommend it. Shout out to the trading fraternity for showing me that book, but I also like to think of my money as little soldiers. Every morning I wake up before the stock market opens, take a deep breath. I'm thankful for another day, another opportunity, another 24 hours. I brush my teeth, I hop in the shower, I grab a water, I grab a coffee, I sit down at my computer, and I go into commander mode. So I have my full-time job. I'm the head of business development at my father-in-law's company. I do a good job. I get new money troops coming in every 2 weeks. I make content on TikTok. Every time you guys watch my videos, I get more little soldiers coming in. My marketing consulting company, clients pay me every single month. More soldiers come in every single month, ready to work. The point is, soldiers come in, dollar bills come in, and they are ready to work. I can rely on a specific amount of soldiers to come in, and that reliability allows me to be a stronger commander. I can allocate my soldiers and utilize them in the best way possible because it's consistent and reliable. I know that I have to pay a specific amount for rent. I know that I have to pay a specific amount for food. I know what I need to spend to stay alive. I also know how much I can spend to enjoy myself. Remember, life isn't all about saving and making money. It's about using that money and enjoying that money. The point is, I know what I can and can't do. I can sit at my computer, review my army of soldiers, and point them all in the right direction. I look at the little army and I say, okay, 100 of you go over here. 1,000 of you go over there. 500 of you go right over there. 50, 30, 20, you go here, here, and there. The rest of you stand by and be ready to attack whenever I say. Next month rolls around. New soldiers come in. Okay, 100 of you go over here and fortify this area. 1,000 of you go into the long-term portfolio. You know what to do there. 500 of you stand by. 50, 30, 20 of you go support over here, over there, and over here. Month after month, you grow your little army of dollars. And this is done only if you have a consistent flow of new troops coming in. If I didn't know how much money was coming in next month, I would struggle to allocate them. I would move them around too much. I wouldn't know the best place to put them. What if I need them for something else? What if something happens in the market and I can't react quick enough? What if I'm not liquid enough? What if? Stop asking what if and go get a consistent income source. Now, if you already have a consistent income source, go get more. Get a raise, get a new job, increase your wealth potential, increase your income potential. Start a business. Maybe don't invest your money for a couple months, save up and start something new if you need to. Invest in yourself. Find ways to turn your time into more money. You hear it all the time. Time is money, time is money. You know what really equates to money? Your replaceability. So I heard something the other day and it really stuck with me. You aren't paid based off of how good of a job you do. You're not paid based off of how many hours you put in. You're not paid based off of how hard you work. You're paid based off of how hard it is to replace you. So, my friends, find ways to increase your monthly income. Open up that river. Collect all of those soldiers and put them to work. Then we can talk about where to put it. Luckily, I have tons of videos where I talk about investments and where I like to put my money to work, but I thought I needed to talk about the importance of income a little bit. I hope this video sparks a little fire inside of someone out there to get out there and increase your income potential. Go be irreplaceable, and I'll see you in the next video.